Hi everyone, I'm Hawa Hassan and today I'm going to be doing a twist on tacos. I'm going to be making my jalapeno ginger shredded chicken tacos. I'm also going to be using my Instant Pot, Duo Crisp, and air fryer. Alright, let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to put my Instant Pot on saute high. I'll let this warm up and then I'll add my coconut oil. Now that my oil has melted, I'm going to go ahead and throw in a small red onion. That's the sound I like. I'm gonna give this about 2 minutes for my onions to wilt, and then I'm gonna add my ginger, garlic, and jalapenos. If you don't like your food as spicy as I like mine, go ahead and take the mint brains out. I'll go ahead and bring this together before throwing in my spices. I've thrown in my cumin, coriander, and kosher salt. I'll let everything come together. I want it to be very fragrant before I start putting in my other ingredients. My favorite thing about the Instant Pot is the fact that I could use so many different features in just one tiny bowl. So now that everything's completely come together, it's very fragrant, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in half a cup of water, a cup of tomato, and just 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll combine everything. I'm gonna throw in my chicken. Here I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. I oftentimes prefer chicken thighs because it holds on to the juice a little bit longer. Now that I've got all my ingredients inside my Instant Pot, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my lid on, and we're gonna pressure cook all of this for about 14 minutes. And one of the reasons why I really like using the feature of the pressure cook is that it holds onto the juices in my meats a lot longer. I'll see you back here soon. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean up. So 14 minutes have gone by. I'm gonna go ahead and release the pressure. Let's see how our chicken tacos have turned out. It smells so yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and remove our chicken, put it to the side. Look at that chicken, it's so tender. And then I'll turn off the pressure cooker and put this on saute so our sauce can reduce. So I'll just leave the lid off while it simmers. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this apart. So my sauces come to simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken back in while I get my garnishes together. Oh, I love the smell of this. You could really tell that there's ginger in here. So my sauce is completely reduced down and I'm ready to make some tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my Instant Pot. I've got my garnishes here. I've got some cilantro, avocado, mango, a little lime juice, and some shredded cabbage. I've also got my favorite sauce, which is a condiment called Best Best. I'm gonna be using their coconut and cilantro sauce today. So this chicken also makes for a great combo with a Buddha bowl or a burrito. So if you wanna freestyle, you can. I just love tacos. Get a little bit of my shredded chicken. Get a little mango. If you can't tell, I love sweet and savory together. A little cabbage, a little lime juice. If you don't have any Best Best, you're more than welcome to use a little bit of salsa or any hot sauce that is your favorite. All right, should we give this a try? You know it's good when it's messy and I start dancing. It's citrusy, it's spicy, but not too hot. I love the taste of the mango along with the cabbage. All of this was made possible within under 30 minutes. I used my Instant Pot, Duo Crisp, plus air fryers. So if you want to see more recipes like this, subscribe to Instant Pot's YouTube channel or download the Instant Brands Connect app. I look forward to seeing what you make. All right, see you all soon.